Hello, I'm Brian Tracy, and today I want to teach you about 3 essentials for success in modern times. Sometimes when it comes to achieving success in both your professional and personal life, focusing on the most basic, simple priorities is the most beneficial thing that you can do. When you give your body and mind the things they need to excel, good results will follow. No matter what you're hoping to achieve or accomplish, there are 3 things that are essential building blocks for success: sleep, exercise, and positive thinking. We'll cover each one and discuss why they are so important. First, you must get plenty of sleep. In modern times, far too many people, including me most of the time, suffer from a lack of sleep. There are several different factors causing this, with the first one being the busy, stressful lives that we all live. When you're in a constant state of hustle, it's easy to put a good night's sleep on the back burner. Likewise, when you've had a long, stressful day, relaxing your mind and falling asleep can sometimes be difficult. The second factor that causes a lack of sleep in modern times is artificial light, especially the light from a smartphone or computer. Many people spend the late night hours on their phone or computer right up to the minute they try to go to sleep. This constant flood of light, though, can trick your brain into thinking it's still daylight, slowing your melatonin production and making it hard to fall asleep at night. If you want to be at your best each day, though, it's essential that you overcome these challenges and get a good night's sleep. 8 hours of sleep each night is recommended, maybe even more, and it's definitely a worthwhile goal to aim for. When you start getting enough sleep each night so that your body and mind are both fully refreshed the next day, you may be surprised by the results that it brings you. I've had many people in my seminars who transformed their lives by sleeping much more than before and getting 8.5 to 9 hours of sleep and actually losing weight and having higher energy all day long. Next, you must exercise. The physical benefits of exercise are well documented. However, the mental benefits of exercise are certainly noteworthy as well. Countless studies have shown that the impact that regular exercise can have on your confidence and optimism and enthusiasm, and much, much more. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, the happy drug. And these endorphins are able to provide a wide range of positive benefits as you go about your day. In addition to releasing endorphins, regular exercise is able to boost your confidence by changing your body and showing you that you can hit your goals if you set your mind to them. Of course, the physical benefits of exercise are definitely worthwhile as well. When you exercise regularly, you'll have more energy, more strength, and better health. All things which are able to translate into more success in both your personal and professional life. Finally, you must think positively. There's a famous quote that says, "Whether you think you can or whether you think you can't, you're probably right." In more ways than one, a person's outlook on life often turns into a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you fill your mind with positive thoughts and optimism, positive results typically follow. Conversely, when you fill your mind with negative thoughts and pessimism, negative results typically follow. So positive thinking is like fuel for your mind, driving you to succeed and helping you to overcome the challenges that you encounter rather than being brought down by them. In order for you to have a mindset that lends itself to success, it's essential to start trying to have a positive outlook in all aspects of your life. In the end, you may be shocked by just how dramatic the results will be when you make this one simple change. Before we wrap up, I'd like to leave you with a thought to share with your friends and followers. Take excellent care of your physical health. Energy and vitality are essential to effective leadership. Now, I'd love to hear from you, so my question today is this: have you thought positively about yourself today? What positive accomplishments have you made today? Think about them most of the time. Leave a comment below and I'll be sure to follow up with you. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you want to change your future, take action, and take action now. If you enjoyed this video and you feel it was valuable in teaching you about the essentials for success, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to click the button on the screen for a free gift. Thanks again for watching.